The Middle Ground by Jade Thomas. In a search to determine how Boise State could improve, I was interested in the dropout rate. It seemed a little too high for comfort. I realized Boise State had done its own research on the dropout rate. Notice here in the blue, it says that 27.3% of first-time full-time students dropped out before they could make it to their sophomore year. And notice here in the purple, it shows that 34% of those dropout people, it was due to academic registration or other university concerns. What I like to call things that could have been prevented. Those were just a close second after work and financial issues. So what is the solution? I would say it's a two-way street. Boise State provides passionate professors who inspire students, and students choose to become learners. Boise State's part. The 3 P's that I like to call provide passionate professors. So far, which is honestly not very far because I'm still only a freshman, my best and worst experiences have been because of professors. I chose the word passionate because that's what I hear in Plato's Meno. To paraphrase, Plato describes someone who is ready to fight for education and knowledge, believing there is always a use in learning what we don't yet know. Thanks to the International Journal for the Scholarship of Teaching and Learning, we have the response of many students surveyed what they would like to see in professors. Captivating responses, passionate, motivating, exciting, and encouraging are some of the top few. However, it's recorded that only 36% of students admit that they could experience this. I think that's a little too low. Ferrer, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing his name right, was quoted saying, "Education can never be neutral. The process of education either creates critical, autonomous thinkers, or it renders people passive and unquestioning," which is exactly what we want to slide away from at Boise State. So what's the learner's job? And where does responsibility truly lie? I would say we owe it to ourselves and to our pocketbook, if you think better in numbers, to become more than just students. Notice I said that it's Boise State's part to provide passionate professors, but it's the student's job to become a learner. Sanders would say that a student does this by everyday actions and efforts. Here is a quick glance at the differences between a student and a learner. Which are you? To wrap things up, I don't have a finger pointed at one side. My big idea for improving Boise State lies on both parties. Let us be a university that provides the best, and let us be learners instead of just students.